If you want to forward a domain in Namecheap, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Domain forwarding is useful when you want anyone visiting one domain to automatically land on another website. For example, you might use it to send traffic from an old domain to a new one, or point a shorter domain to your main website. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the domain list option. This is where all of your registered domains are shown in one place. Find the domain you want to forward, then click Manage next to it. That will open the settings for that specific domain. Now, depending on the interface you see, you may be able to use a quick forwarding option. Look for Domain, then Redirect Domain, and then Add Redirect. This is the fastest way to set up a forward without needing any complicated configuration. Once you open the redirect settings, you'll see a source URL field. In this field, enter the domain you want people to type in their browser. For example, you could enter yourdomain.com. This tells Namecheap which domain should be forwarded. Next, go to the destination URL field and enter the website address you want visitors to be sent to. For example, you might use https://example.com. Make sure the destination link is correct, because this is where all traffic from your source domain will go. After that, review everything one more time to make sure the source and destination are entered properly. A small mistake here can send visitors to the wrong page, so it's always worth double-checking. When everything looks good, click Save Changes. Namecheap will now apply the redirect, and your domain forwarding should start working. In some cases, it may take a little time for the change to fully take effect, so don't worry if it doesn't update instantly. Once it is propagated, anyone who visits your forwarded domain should be taken straight to the destination website automatically. And that's it. You've successfully forwarded a domain in Namecheap. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and now you can redirect traffic exactly where you want it to go. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Namecheap and website setup guides.